Meghalaya Police, which immediately launched a multi-pronged investigation. Leveraging modern investigative tools, forensic analysis, and intelligence gathering, the team was able to reconstruct the sequence of events leading to the murder. The swift arrest of the suspects underscored the SIT's operational readiness and ability to act decisively despite public and political pressure. The SIT's success also served as a rebuttal to doubts about Meghalaya Police's competence, proving that even high-profile and complex cases could be resolved promptly at the state level without external intervention. The case stands as a benchmark in Meghalaya Police record of swift justice delivery. It demonstrated the effective coordination between different units, the strategic use of surveillance and technical inputs, and the importance of focused leadership in handling sensitive criminal investigations. This success has been viewed as a significant achievement in enhancing the image of the force both within the state and nationally. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Halor, MPS, Superintendent of Police City, East Khasi Hills. Shri Halor, MPS. Shri Vipul Das, MPS, Deputy Superintendent of Police Crime, East Khasi Hills District. Shri Vipul Das, MPS. Shri K. Shaba, MPS, Deputy Superintendent of Police City, East Khasi Hills District. Shri K. Shaba, MPS. SI Anthony B. Kongsit, OC Sora PS and IO of the case. SI Anthony B. Kongsit. SI Peace AMOR Police Reserve, East Khasi Hills District. SI Peace AM. SI Vado Rani Special Cell, East Khasi Hills District. SI Vado Rani. SI Don Khanamor Special Cell, East Khasi Hills. SI Don Khanamor. Next, we have WPSI Lavisha Kharjana of East Khasi Hills DEF. WPSI Lavisha Kharjana of the East Khasi Hills District Executive Force, presently posted at the Women Police Station Shillong, has demonstrated outstanding performance in handling cases of crime against women and children. From 2021 up to August 2025, she has disposed of a total of 72 cases, filing charge sheets in 26 of them. Of these, 17 have resulted in convictions by the Honorable Trial Court Shillong. WPSI Lavisha Kharjana. WPSI Lavisha Kharjana. WPSI Susanna Ringside of Reboy District Executive Force. On 27 August 2025, a case of sexual assault was reported from a village under Block 2 within the jurisdiction of Maulasnai OP, where an Assam police personnel allegedly assaulted a minor girl. The accused, identified as Landsnipe 121, Projan Namthasa of the 18th APPN Lumding, was initially apprehended by villagers but managed to escape. Following the incident, a case was registered at Nongpa Women Police Station by case number 45A-2005, and investigation was formally initiated. Acting swiftly, a police team was dispatched to Lumding, Assam, leading to the arrest of the accused on 26 September 2025 and his subsequent transfer to Nongpa the same evening. The investigation progressed rapidly and the charge sheet was filed in 13 days. WPSI Susanna Ringside. UPSI Niberson Armala, South Garo Hills. UPSI Niberson Armala of South Garo Hills. On 22nd July 2024, a fatal road accident caused by rash driving resulted in the tragic death of a pedestrian in South Garo Hills, Meghalaya. The case was promptly registered at Sankanigre PS case number 1/2024 under new sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Following a swift investigation and filing of the charge sheet within 68 days, the case proceeded without delays, supported by strong eyewitness accounts and medical evidence. The Judicial Magistrate First Class Bangmara delivered the conviction on 4th February 2025, completing the trial within 14.5 months. The absence of forensic or digital delays, coupled with timely framing of charges and efficient prosecution, reflects the effectiveness of the new BNS framework in ensuring fast-track justice that is both transparent and decisive. This is the first case resulting in conviction under the new criminal laws. UPSI Niberson Armara. UPSI Niberson Armara.